Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to see contain function in Spark SQL. So what is contain function? Why do we use? Contain function returns a boolean. It checking that a value is present in the text or not. It will return true if the value is found, else return false. It will return null if either input expression is null, both must be either string or binary. So, suppose we have a very big table, and in that table we have a lot of columns, and some columns are string. If there is a requirement to figure it out, a particular text present in a column's value or not. So if there is a very big table, it would be very difficult to do with the help of a eye checking, right? So Spark is providing a function known as contain. It takes two parameters. One is name of the column and another is the value which we want to search. If the value is present in column's value, then it will return true. If the value is not present in that particular column, so it will return false. It will return null if either expression is null or the value which we are going to search is null. In the both cases, it will going to return null value. So I'm going to do exercise about contain function in Spark SQL. To perform this exercise, I'm going to create this table. It has these attributes: AP ID, AP name, AP gender, AP salary, AP state, and AP city. Once this table gets created, we need some data. So with the help of this insert statement, I will going to insert some data into it. When this table gets created, data will inserted into this table. Then we will going to use this contain function. So what the contain function will going to do? It will going to create a column, and the value of the column will be either true or false based on the condition that this is the column name APCT. In this column, this text Patna is present or not. If in APCT Patna is present, it will going to return true. If it is not present, then it will going to return false. So let's do this exercise in Databricks. Let's go to the Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Name the notebook as contain. So we need to create the table and insert the data. To save time, I have already created the script. So let me copy this script. This is the table creation script. So let me copy it. I am pasting in this command cell and let me run it. So it will going to create this table, and these are the attributes of this table. Okay, table gets created. We can also validate from here. If you go to the catalog section, we can see in the default database, this table is created. Now, this table has been created. We need to insert some data. So I have already created the insert script. Let me copy from here and paste this insert script in this command cell. and let me run it. So Spark will going to insert this data into this table. So Spark will execute this insert statement one by one. So let's wait till Spark executed all the insert script successfully. Okay, now let's see that some string is present in this table or not. But before doing that, let me just see the data is present in this table or not. Select star from, and this is the name of the table. Okay, so we can validate here that these are the same data which we have inserted here. Now let's see how contain function works. So for this, let me create this query. Select APCT, and let's use this contain function. Contains what it will going to, which kind of a logic we are implementing here. We are saying that APCT, value of APCT, it has text Patna or not, as city present from this table. So what I am just doing here, I am using this contain function and putting one condition that in the APCT column of this table, if it has a Patna text or not. If Patna is present, then it will return true. If Patna is not present, then it will return false. Let me run this query. We can see here that this is the APCT which we are already selecting, and this is the city present which I have given the alias. So this whole text now, this function is also going to create a column. So Gurgaon, it is matching with Patna, no. So false, false, false. Only this row. This city has text Patna. That's why it is returned. It is returning as a true value. So whenever there is a match, it will return true. Whenever there is a no match, it will return false. We can also validate from the output here. In this video, we have seen how we can use contain function in Spark SQL. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.